my chain. Cardi B straight stunning, can't tell me nothing. Bossed up and I changed the game. You see me? It's my big bronze boogie, got all them girls shook. My big fat ass got all them boys cooked. We're from dollar bills, now we popping rubber bands. Bruno sang to me while I do my money dance like, hey. Flexing on the gram like, hey. Hit the Lil Jon, okay, okay. Oh yeah, we dripping the finesse and getting paid.
Ooh, don't we look good together? There's a reason.
Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning into this video. Today I will be showing you, yes you, I will be showing you how to apply false strip lashes. A good pair of falsies could catch anyone's eye, but did you put it on correctly? Is it hanging off? Do you look like you're about to fly away? If you look like you're about to fly away, you need to tune into this video because I'm about to show you how to do it the right way. The lashes that I'm going to be using today are from Kyrie Cosmetics, and this is the style Glam. What you want to do is gently, I don't know if you guys can see, but you want to press down on the lash and gently pull it away from the case. Then once it's almost fully off, you can use your tweezer and grab the corner and just pull it up. Now the first thing you want to do once you get your lash away from its case, you want to measure the lash. This is also practice for when you really put the glue on there and you're really about to apply. You're going to measure it by placing it on your lash line, and you're going to see if the corner of the lash extends past your eye. And if it does, that means you need to cut it. Grab your mini pair of scissors. I'm gonna hold it up and cut off just a tad of the end. And I'm gonna go back in and remeasure. Yep, that looks just about right. Not too close to my tear duct and not extending past the corner of my eye, the end of my eye. So this one is ready to go. What I like to do right before I apply the lash is apply a little bit of mascara, just a little, to make sure that all your lashes are the same color as the lash. There's no extra eyeshadow on it. And if you have really curly lashes, you can apply the mascara in a downward motion and it will take the curl out of your lashes just a bit. So when you put the lash on, it doesn't, your lashes don't reject it because they're so curly. Now, the trick with the glue is to apply it to the back of the band and very little glue. If anything, I apply most of it towards the corners because you do not want your lash to lift up in the corner. Now the trick with eyelash glue is to let it get tacky. You let it get tacky, meaning you let it dry for a couple seconds and it gets sticky. So, are you ready? You're gonna go in like an airplane. You wanna look down but don't close. And you go in with the lash on a slant toward your lash line. And you almost press it into your actual lashes. But then, make sure you feel it on your actual lid. So you're pressing the eyelash between your lash line and your lid. You should feel the glue on your lid. That's how close it should be. It should be on your lashes, but it should still be touching your lid. Now this is where your tweezers come in handy. Most times if you don't have the tweezers at this part, you're gonna have a hard time. So the tweezers are to move it around and position it so that it's in the right spot. You lift it up with the tweezers, you press it in with the tweezers. The tweezers are an essential tool to applying lashes. Now that the lash is on, you let it dry. Don't touch it, press it in. And voila! The lash is on. The most important part is when it's almost completely dry, is to restick the corners. Make sure you restick the inner corner and the outer corner, because that's essential. If your eyelash starts lifting in public and you don't have your eyelash glue, I suggest you go home, because it's going to be very embarrassing. So now that I talked you through the process of applying this lash, I'm going to speed through with this eye. So keep watching. So now once your lashes are on and once they're dry, you can use your finger to curl them, to push them up, or you can also press them down with 2 fingers in a pinch and make sure that they blend well and stay longer throughout the day. By doing this, you're basically making your natural lashes and the strip lash become one. So you don't want to pinch too hard or press too hard, but you just want to give it a little lift so you don't look sleepy, and to brighten your eyes up. And that's how you apply a strip lash. Thanks for watching!